Alright, so as you probably know, you can get Google traffic to your YouTube videos. So how do you make that happen? Is it just luck? No. And in this video, I'm going to go over a checklist that gives you the 5 things you need to do to get that Google traffic flowing to your YouTube videos. Alright, if you've been here before, welcome back. If not, I'm Sean from SEO Sorcerer. Thanks for checking out my video. Like I said, I'm going to give you 5 things you can do to make sure you're getting Google traffic to your YouTube videos. All right, and the first one, I'm going to lump 3 of them into one. This is just going to cover all the basics. Make sure you have the keyword you want to rank for in your title, in your description at the beginning of it, and in your tags. Those are 3 things that are pretty obvious. Maybe if you haven't taken care of that, make sure you do that right away. Next, put a link to your video in your YouTube video description. Not the shortened version. I'm talking about the V equals and then the YouTube video ID after that URL. Put that in your YouTube video description. Number 3, put a link to your YouTube video in the About section of your YouTube profile. In order to do that, you're going to click on Customize Channel, then you're going to go to Basic Info, then scroll down the page a little bit and you should see a list of links. You can add a link, you can have up to your top 5 links from your YouTube channels, the one you choose. So make sure you have the 5 most important videos in there. Take advantage of these links. These are do follow links. And so is the one in the description. Those are 2 really good links that'll give you a leg up on everyone else that's in the Google search results. All right, and finally, you want to add a table of contents to your YouTube video description, also known as timestamps. You want to have at least 2 of them. Put one at the beginning, call it intro, and then the second one needs to be at least 10 seconds into the video. Obviously, you can put as many as you want. A lot of people like those. They're very helpful. If people are using those, people are clicking on those, interacting with your video, that's a good thing. Those are good social signals to Google. And then the last one, this is for people that maybe already took care of all these things but are wondering why they can't move up the Google search results. These are called Auto-Embeds. What Auto-Embeds are, there are sites all over the internet that automatically post all YouTube videos to their website. Those are Auto-Embeds. Makes sense, right? How do you find those? Well, I'll put a link to one of my other videos up, so you can click on that. That shows you how to get Auto-Embeds. You can also purchase them on Fiverr. And then if you take advantage of this opportunity that I'm giving you today, I will actually give you 25 free Auto-Embeds. That's right. If you go to seosorcerer.com/free Auto-Embeds, all you'll have to do is put in your email address, and I'll promptly email you 25 free Auto-Embeds. So once you get those, what's next? What's your next step? Well, you need to make sure those Auto-Embeds are indexed by Google. So you're going to want to, you can either use an indexer service like Index Inject or Omega Index, or you can scrape box blast them, which I'll put a link in the video of that of how you power up your Auto-Embeds. So that's a start. So once you take care of all the things in this video, make sure you go to seosorcerer.com/free Auto-Embeds, get those free 25 Auto-Embeds for free, and you're going to be well on your way to getting lots of Google traffic to your YouTube video. All right, once again, I'm Sean with SEO Sorcerer. Thanks for checking out my video. Until next time.